Your attention span isn't slowly getting worse, it's collapsing. And most people won't realize it until they can't read, think, or focus for even 10 minutes. Especially you open your phone without thinking. You feel busy all day but finish nothing. That's not laziness, that's attention fragmentation. And if you don't fix it, everything else in your life becomes harder. Here are 5 basic steps to fix it before it's too late. Step 1, set a baseline. Right now, your brain is guessing how focused you are, so stop guessing. Pick a book, start a timer. Read until the exact moment you feel the urge to check your phone or stand up. Stop the timer. That number is your attention span. It doesn't matter if it's 3 minutes or 30. Muscles don't grow from ego, they grow from honesty. Step 2, eliminate attention leeches. Your attention isn't weak. Your environment is hostile. Your phone is designed to interrupt you. Notifications are designed to pull you back. When you actually need to focus, do this. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications completely. Close everything except what you're working on. You don't fight distraction, you remove it. Step 3, build a focus ritual. Focus doesn't start with motivation. It starts with a signal. Same place, same posture, same start. When you repeat this enough times, your brain learns one thing. When this happens, we focus. You don't need willpower, you need consistency. Step 4, take breaks before your brain crashes. Your brain is not built for endless focus. After a certain point, performance drops fast. So don't push until you're fried. Work in blocks, then stop, walk, stretch, breathe. Breaks don't destroy productivity, they protect it. People who perform at a high level know this. Everyone else calls it laziness. Final step, reconnect attention to meaning. This is the step most people miss. You can't focus on something that feels pointless. Before you start any task, ask 2 questions. Why does this matter? Who benefits if I do this well? Write the answer down. When attention is connected to meaning, it stops feeling like effort. It becomes a choice. That's the difference between forcing focus and sustaining it. Your attention is your life. What you give it to is what you become. Life was not meant to be lived in 15-second clips. Fix your attention, and you don't just work better,